Are you new into the world of real estate? Maybe you're a new realtor, a new loan officer, a new attorney, or just want to learn a little bit before you buy or list your house. In this brief video, we'll officially introduce our series of shorts on the Chicago area's 7.0 multi-board residential real estate contract. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. Today, we are doing something a little different as we're going to introduce to you our series of shorts on the entire 13 pages, 39 paragraphs long 7.0 multi-board residential real estate contract. Starting last November, I teamed up with Adam, our digital content and marketing specialist, and decided to break down every paragraph of the standard contract into separate shorts. Some of them were much tougher to fit down to a minute than others, such as the attorney review section in paragraph 10 or the well inspections, paragraph 33. Other paragraphs, though, are extremely simple and, honestly, the language in those paragraphs easily understood by just about everybody, like how in paragraph 24 is the contract specific to define what a business day is. Our intention with this series is to take a little extra time to explain some of the intricacies to each paragraph. Largely targeted towards new realtors, the shorts are strictly informative, but Adam and I are looking forward to having a little more fun in videos down the road to explain some of these more deeply complicated sections. One thing at 23 Legal we want to do is to make real estate law as simple as we can. Along with the contract, if there are any areas of real estate law you just want more information on, please leave a comment or reach out to me and I can help clarify any concerns or confusion you may have. We're going to wrap this up here and show you our first 5 shorts at the end of this video. A playlist is linked in the description as well as the iCard in the corner. I'm Ben Weaver, overtaking new contracts and clients, and I hope these shorts helped you understand the multi-board residential real estate contract better. Well, you gotta start someplace, and paragraph 1 states the names of the buyers and sellers. Hey, does the seller have a trust? Does the buyer have a spouse that they'd like to add to the deed but not the mortgage? Is the buyer a person or a business? Well, that's where paragraph 1 gets tricky. Don't worry, we can always modify the parties' names later on. Paragraph 2, the real estate. Paragraph 2 lists the contact info for the property. You got the address, tax pin, county, lot size, and parking and storage info for a condo. Hey, if you're in Cook County, what's the quickest way to tell if the real estate is a condo? Look at the tax ID number. If it's a house, the last 4 digits will be zeros. If the last 4 digits are not zeros, you got a condo there, pal. Of course, it's completely different in the collar counties, but it's something to keep in mind when you're looking at a townhouse in Schaumburg. Paragraph 3, fixtures and personal property at no added value. Paragraph 3 lists all the personal property included in the sale, such as the oven, air conditioner, and window screens. There are also blank lines to both include and exclude certain items. If the pool equipment is included in the sale, add it to line 29. But the refrigerator in the garage is excluded, add that to line 32. Also, there's a check mark on line 35 to include a home warranty in the transaction. Paragraph 4, purchase price and payment. Now this paragraph lists the price, which is the total cost of the property, closing credits, which can be negotiated between the parties, and earnest deposit details, which is a small down payment to get your foot in the door. What do you do if neither broker holds on to that earnest money? Well, the title company will most likely accept the earnest for the transaction. Talk to the seller's attorney to set up the deposit. Paragraph 5, closing. Paragraph 5 lists the closing date, and also buried in the details is a statement that the closing will occur at the title company office closest to the real estate. Sometimes the house might be in, say, Gurnee, but the seller's attorney wishes to close at their office in Skokie. Well, if there's a title company office in Gurnee or even Vernon Hills, the parties already agreed to close at that title company office closest to the house. If you feel like you may be traveling further than necessary, contact your attorney and we'll figure it out.